Hello FTC community. We understand that recent market trends may have you concerned. But rest assured, we're here to clarify a few things. There are three major factors that caused the price of FTC significantly drop. Number 1. The recent drop in the FTC coin price is largely due to members selling half of their holdings to participate in LP staking. Number 2. Due to the delay of launching FTC LP stake to 31st of July, so there are a lot of panic sell especially for trader and short-term holder. Number 3. FTC break the support of previous low at price $70 technically pattern. The chart will make lower low, down trend pattern. So our community may ask where the bottom price of FTC? For me personally, $50 rang is the bottom. It can drop lower before the launch of FTC LP stake, but it will bounce back very quickly. It is time to accumulate right now for diamond handholders. I believe we won't see the price of FTC at $50 range again after the launch of FTC LP staking. FTC is growing rapidly, with over 200,000 new members each month. We kindly ask for your patience and trust in the process. Just wait for another week, and rest assured, your efforts will yield returns. Exciting news! We are launching our LP staking program on this July 2023. You can choose to stake for 7, 15, or 30 days and enjoy daily returns of 1%, 1.1%, and 1.2% respectively, paid in our stable coin, FUSD. And there's more. We also offer bonus rewards based on your team's LP value, payable in our native token, FTC. Don't forget our referral program? By simply referring our project to others, you can earn daily direct referral rewards and second-level referral rewards. This means you can earn as much as 49.5% in rewards per month through staking and referrals. All rewards are paid out daily in FTC, meaning you can see your returns in real time. Now, let's embark on this journey together and enjoy the benefits our cryptocurrency project has to offer. Overall, the recent decline in the price of FTC due to three main factors. Number 1. Members selling half of their holdings to participate in LP staking. Number 2. The delay in the launch of FTC LP staking to July 31st, which led to panic selling. Number 3. The breach of the previous low support price of $70, leading to a downtrend pattern. I believe that the bottom price for FTC could be around $50 and advises that this is a good time for long-term holders to accumulate. I predict the price won't stay at the $50 range after the launch of FTC LP staking. I anticipate that the launch of the LP staking program will boost the coin's value and encourage the community to take advantage of the benefits offered by the project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy and make benefits from this video, please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell for many more fruitful video education about Fintoch, AI, and blockchain technology. And leave your comments below if you have any questions or concern.